Alright, so it's September 7th, and Maritza was just let out of the hospital about an hour ago, and I am in beautiful sunny Florida to get my animals out of here before Irma comes. This place is an absolute ghost town. Let me show you the parking lot of the LA Fitness, which never closes. I just had to come to the vet to get some prescription for the animals so that they can fly out of here tomorrow up to Philadelphia. So 4 months in the hospital, almost to the exact date, and she got out today, and I've been there almost every day, and the day I envisioned the entire time, I didn't get there. I wasn't able to be there to see it, but no man left behind. Gotta get everybody out of here. It is an absolute ghost town. It's very eerie. Driving down Minor Road right now on a Thursday afternoon, and I see about 2 or 3 cars. Everything's boarded up, everything's closed. McDonald's is still open. I was able to get that. So this is not going to be a typical MJ and the Family Fun Zone video, but I'll do my best to journal our journey to get our animals and our pop-pop up to safety. And I don't know, maybe we'll get something good. This is Congress Avenue at 3:48 on a Thursday afternoon before Hurricane Irma. There's actually some traffic coming up here. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy that it's really empty. There's the most traffic right here. Uh-oh. Looks like FPL is already on the scene. No, that's Comcast. That figures. People's Cable go out. People's Cable's going out before the storm even hit. Is that Irma? Nah. Those are just some September clouds. Irma's not here yet. It is about 6:30 a.m. on Friday, September 8th, and we are getting ready to head to the airport to get the heck out of here. So the boys are at the airport, and Mia's at the airport too. She's in the van. We can get out of here. And we got Rocky, Dexter, Pop-Up, Mia, and me in the back. And we are out of here. Adios, Irma.